We create a new project. First, the basics, a name for the job, and a short description of what it involves. We set the start and the expected end dates for the job. Mark its status as active while work is underway. Now the powerful part, the budget. Instead of one lump sum, you budget against your actual chart of accounts, so every cost has its own line. This is a large refurbishment, so we budget each major cost in turn. That is every planned cost captured. We can also budget the income we expect the project to earn. We switch to projected income. And finally, a note for the team. That is our project, dates, status, a full 8-line cost budget with projected income, and notes, all complete. We create it. The project is created, and it now appears in the portfolio with its budget in place.